Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of the Parahack Let's Learn Sveltekit series. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at API routes. Now, did you know that you can actually use Sveltekit as your backend framework? Or in our case, since we're using Svelte combined with all of the functionality that Sveltekit has, we can actually use Sveltekit as a complete full stack framework. And the reason why we can do this is because of Sveltekit has a lot of server capabilities. It's a server-side rendering JavaScript framework, so it has several capabilities, and one of those capabilities is to actually create API endpoints, right? And so, how do we create API endpoints in Sveltekit? It's very easy. Just like the way we create pages, we create layouts. We use special files, and this special file for creating API endpoints is called the plus server.js or tsv as in TypeScript. Now, in this file, we can have multiple types of endpoints. So we can have the get, the post, the put, patch, and delete endpoints. So I'm going to give you guys an example. The first example I'm going to give you guys is this get endpoint. So making a request to this endpoint will return to you this random number in JSON format. So Sveltekit also gave us this nice helpers like this JSON helper that just returns whatever value that we want to return, but in JSON format, which is ideal when you're using API endpoint and you're returning things. So if I made a request to this endpoint, which is just the root page, so just localhost 5173, it will return this number for me. And on this same page, I can have multiple endpoints. I can have a post endpoint here. I can have outputs. I can basically just copy these and rename them. I'll get rid of this. Patch and delete. So I can have all these endpoints right here on this one page. So I can have another page, like page one, and I'll have all different endpoints for this as well. So you can actually just use Sveltekit for your backend framework, and it actually it has some pretty good battery included things that it's just nice, right? Works flawlessly for full stack application and also for backend application. Though I would not um I would not recommend you use Sveltekit solely as a backend framework, but as a full stack framework 100%. And you can do some pretty nice things like do API endpoints. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions on how to actually use them, practical examples, then I'll be glad to make videos on those. If you want to reach out to me directly, my Twitter is always opened, and that's all. I'll see you guys on the next video.